All right, guys, so to add audio to our Google slide, the first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open your voice recorder, whatever voice recorder you happen to have. Go ahead and record. So today we will be looking at how to add audio to a Google slide. Go ahead and hit stop. So you are going to record whatever it is on your slide. I'm going to go ahead then and I'm going to change by right-clicking on that. I'm going to rename it to adding voice so I know what it is. I'm going to rename it. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open just my drive, and I have an audio. So I will take the recording and I'm going to drag it. I'm going to right click, say open file location, and then I'm going to drag that into my Google Drive. So I have that in my Google Drive. So now I have it in my Google Drive, but it downloads into your Google Drive as, I gotta find it now, adding voice, as an M4A, and an M4A is not going to be supported in the slides. So what you have to do here is go ahead and right click and say open with and do cloud converter. And you're going to want to convert it to an MP3. So once you have that, it will convert to an MP3. It does it really quick. Oh, that's not the one I wanted. Let's go back 1 second. I want to convert this one to an MP3, converting. I got to hit convert. My face was covering it up. Go ahead and download that. And so now you can see that it's in an MP3 format. You are going to, it's going to have saved it back in so you have it right here. You're going to go, now that you have it converted to an MP3, now what you do is go to your slides. So we're going to go to the second slide, adding voice recording. You create your audio and convert to MP3 format. You save it in the drive, and then once you get to the slide, you just click on the slide or wherever you want it, and you hit insert audio, and you are going to select, it's going to be there, adding voice. So you go ahead and you select that, and a little icon popped up here in the bottom left corner. Depends on where you clicked, is depending on where it's going to pop up. If you click on that icon, if I can get it clicked on without, this bar opens up over here, and all you have to do is say audio playback automatic. Once you have it as automatic, so today we will be looking at, then it's going to automatically play. So now when I go to my slideshow and I hit slideshow, it's going to have the opening slide, and takes a minute, I think, more because of where I'm at, but it'll automatically go to that. So I'll escape out of that. And that is how you add audio to your Google slide. The one thing that you're going to want to do, though, before we turn this into a video, is you're going to need to go into your drive. So you're going to need to go into your drive, and you're going to need to go to the file, and I'm just going to use this one for an example, you have to share it. So for example, just like sharing anything, in order for people to be able to see it, you have to change the restrictions. And so
today we will be looking at how
you have to change it to anyone with the link. And so not only do we have to change the Google Slides to sharing anyone with a link, we'd have to change or add that to every single one of our audios. So hope that helps. If not, let me know and I can try to help in other ways. Thanks, guys.